Welcome to another episode of Crafting with Kitties. We are partnering with Gato Coffehouse Cat Cafe and featuring their adoptable kitties. Visit elgatocoffeehouse.com to view all of their adoptable kitties and to schedule your visit. Today you'll see adoptable kitties Faro and Jamie in our craft. Visit El Gato to meet them in person. Today we will be crafting a cat puzzle box. To make today's craft, you will need a shoebox or any small box, paper towel roll tubes, scissors, clear tape, glue, a Sharpie, and a bonus, crafty kitties. Let's go meet the kitties. Uh-oh, the kitties seem excited. It looks like Faro is just waking up from a cat nap. It looks like the kitties are ready to get started on our craft. But first, they have to inspect our materials. Wow, it's getting a little spicy in here. It looks like the kitties are finally ready to get started. To begin, grab your box, your Sharpie, and your craft paper. We are going to roll out our craft paper and trace all of the sides of our box and then cut them out and glue them on our box. Make sure to label your top, bottom, and side pieces so you know where every piece goes. This is just one way to decorate the outside of your cat puzzle box. Feel free to use construction paper, paint, and to draw directly on your box. The kitties love helping me trace on the craft paper. Now it's time to cut out our pieces. The kitties love to help with this part too. Uh-oh, watch out! Now that Zion has helped me cut out all of the pieces, we can lay them out and start gluing them onto our box. I'm going to start with the biggest pieces first. I'm using a non-toxic glue stick to secure my craft paper to the box. Repeat the same steps for all sides of the box. Uh-oh, it looks like it's time for a quality check. Jameson can't wait to see the finished product. He's curious about these paper towel tubes. Uh-oh, no sniffing the glue, Jameson. It looks like Jameson can't stay away from our cat craft supplies. Looks like Jameson's a natural cat crafter. Now we're ready for our paper towel tubes. Grab a pair of scissors and some cardboard paper towel tubes and cut them in various sizes. You can also use toilet tissue tubes for this part of the project as well. We are trimming our tubes down into different sizes. This will make it more fun for the kitties. Use enough tubes to make sure that they all stay securely in your box. You know you have used enough tubes when you can hold your box upside down and none of the tubes fall out. It's okay if some of the tubes are squished. It looks like our puzzle box is ready to go. Now, add kitty cat treats into all of the tubes in your puzzle box and watch the kitties go wild trying to fish them out. This cat puzzle box will provide entertainment and enrichment for your kitties. Wow, look at Jameson go! Now it's Layla's turn. She's still trying to figure the puzzle out. Zion is a curious cat. Great job, Zion! Now it's Philomena's turn. Great job, Philomena. Great job, Faro. Sunny is having a good time watching the other kitties play with the puzzle box. Uh-oh, it It looks like Faro and Philomena beat the puzzle. These cats are crafty. It looks like Sunny enjoyed the show. Check out our Cats 101 guide for more Catterday story times and crafting with kitties. Visit cyflib.info/cats101. Find more cat crafting fun in our HCPL catalog. Remember to show us your creations on Instagram. And remember to register for the HCPL Summer Reading Program, Tales and Tales. You can sign up at hcpl.beanstack.org. Happy Catterday!